Hey guys, in this quick video, I'm going to compare the S20 Plus with S20 and what are primarily the differences, what you have to be aware of if you want to check both of these. So S20 Plus is more expensive, so that's the first thing. Also, S20 Plus got better suction by 1000, also better battery life by 2000 mAh. It got a dual rotating for the mop type, and S20 got only static path. It got also carpet detection. So with S20 Plus, you have carpet detection. This is something that you don't have with S20, okay? And for the kind of like S20 is like, imagine it's like a younger brother. It's weaker. It's not that powerful comparing to S20 Plus. So that's like another thing. Also, the runtime is 40-50 minutes better for the S20 Plus. It got better rated power. It got mop lift, it got carpet detection, carpet boost. It got little bit slightly better, dustbin. Also, both got LDS laser and more suction levels by one, cleaning modes by one. And these are the primarily like the differences that you have to be aware of. So yeah, I mean like the S20 Plus, if you can get it like, for example, like $50 down from like, I don't know, Black Friday or something, just go with that. All right, so hope this video provided a little bit of value. Let me down below in the comments, what do you think? I'm just going to also like send it to you here to kind of like show it to you. Look at that. So here it is. Do you see that? So price better, stronger, larger, more minutes for the S20 Plus. And yeah, the S20 Plus is just better comparing to S20. So thank you very much guys for watching. I hope you are going to have a great day, great year 2026. It's yours. You can get it. Goodbye.